instruction manual. If I was a floor sander, where would my on switch be? Hey Robert! Do you know how to turn these things on? Oh, so you push it and then... on the weekend, and I got this room like done once over, I would say, and then I did like a bit in the hallway and a bit in another room. But then the sander broke, so I couldn't finish, and that means I couldn't sleep indoors either, because I was gonna like finish the floor this weekend, like put the varnish on it and then be ready to sleep indoors. But no, that didn't happen. Instead, I painted outside, which is fine. There's so much to do, but I was really counting on that machine coming through for me, and it didn't. It failed. So I had to return it, got a full refund, and then here we are midweek. I just rented another machine from a different company, and I'm hoping this one doesn't let me down, and I'm gonna get all of these floors finished today. I started in this room because I started in this room. This is the room where I first ripped up the carpet and found the double layers of fun. So now you get to see this room kind of transform first, because also this is where I need to sleep. Okay, here goes nothing. What the heck do I do with this? Different one now, see if that works. I feel like the other one didn't actually work. Like I picked up the sandpaper after, it wasn't worn. really celebrating anything in particular except for the fact that I'm a homeowner and I have been now for 3 months. But mostly it's because I'm sanding floors and it's been a bit of a journey so far. I'm on my 3rd machine. And you know, the truth is it's a long walk with a sander when you're sanding floors. You just go over each board and each crack in every room multiple times, moving at a snail's pace, and it takes a while. So my neighbor suggested I drink while I do it, and I think I'm gonna take his advice. So I'm having a little Prosecco. Feels a little bit celebrational. It's also early fall, fall just happened. Celebrating fall, and it's Libra season, and I'm a Libra. Happy Libra season. Here we go. Anticlimactic, I know. Come on, baby. June, it's gonna be loud. I'm gonna hit my new ceiling. Don't make a mark, cork. Here we go. Cheers to sanding floors and being a homeowner and Libra season. Cheers. I should probably eat something. Oh, hi there. Good afternoon, morning. Oh my God, what time of day is it? I'm mid sanding floors and just wanted to pop on here. Such a thing people say. And talk about how hard it is. How much you have to be patient, how you're just like walking really, really slowly with the sander. Has anybody invented a Roomba for sanding yet? Like an automatic vacuum type of sander that just goes, you just set it on a setting and it just goes. Has anyone done that yet? Does this exist? If not, we owe this idea to my sister. She came up with that yesterday. So smart. We're getting there. We're getting there. The floor's down to like, you know, uneven floorboards which have paint in between them, so I'm trying to like figure out how to get in there. You know? How to get in there. But if you look over here, this floor is like really nice. Hold on. This floor is basically done. I just have to go over it with like a finer grit. But man, that is looking good. I am excited about this floor and the little transformation that's taking place here. Yeah, it's like, I remember when I first came in this house and walked in this bedroom and how different it looked. You know, there was an urn behind this door over here. I remember like looking down on the pea green carpet and there was an urn right here. So things are different now. Things are fresh. And it's also the most beautiful day on the river today. Look at how dirty my window is, but also look at the view. So I rented a sander for 24 hours and this is where I got. So this room, I don't know, like if I had the sander for longer, I would do like a bit of a better job in here. Just like more of a thorough. It's pretty good, but like you can see the difference in the colors on the floor and I want it all to be that brighter color and I just need to take off some more layers. This one, getting there, but still has quite a bit of paint left on it. And then as we go towards the bedrooms, this hallway needs a good going over. look at that beautiful sunlight coming in. But it's a beautiful floor. And then this room here is a little bit better. Again, beautiful sunlight in here. I have to take the stander back. Somehow I'm gonna get it down the stairs. It's 100 pounds. I haven't done it by myself yet. I've had help, so let's hope someone comes through for me in the next 10 minutes so I can get this back on time. Whew, I'm exhausted. In case I die or break my neck again, I want this moment to be recorded. Don't ask me how I did it, but I did it. I got this beast in the car by myself. Yeah. Renovating by yourself is fun. Look at this beautiful floor in the morning. Look at this. Oh, I cannot wait to move in here today. Bedroom number 2 is ready for the clear coat. These boards are beautifully sanded and they're finished with 220 grit sandpaper. So they're just so smooth and perfect. And I just washed down all the walls with a tack cloth and vacuumed several times, and now I'm ready to apply clear coat.